Cheers, barbecuers. Day 37. Pizza Supreme, chicken breast stuffed with mushrooms, capsicums, onions, cheese, wrapped in bacon, topped with Bloody Mary hot sauce. And some beautiful Smokey Q chicken wings. So they're rubbed down with the Smokey Q chicken rub. And they are cooked, my friend. Look at that. Living the barbecue dream. Be kind to strangers. Give someone a sausage. Cheers, legends.